In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use social media on HubSpot. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their social media management using HubSpot's powerful toolset. So let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, glance towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a login button. Click on that to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll be presented with several sign-in options. If you have a Google account, you can opt to sign in with Google, which often simplifies the process by reducing the number of login details you need to remember. Just click on Sign in with Google and then select the Google account you'd like to use. Now that we're signed in, the next step is to navigate to the section of HubSpot that focuses on marketing. To do that, look for the tab labeled Marketing. Clicking on this tab will direct us to a section tailored for marketing tools and features. Once within the marketing area, our focus is on social media. So look out for the social option and give it a click. This is where we will begin integrating our various social media accounts. Before you can start using HubSpot for social media management, you'll need to connect your social media accounts. To initiate this process, find the Connect Accounts link. By clicking on this, you'll be presented with options to connect various social media platforms to HubSpot. Today, we are focusing specifically on Facebook and Instagram. So select these platforms from the list provided. Connecting your account is a straightforward process, but it requires authorization. This step ensures that HubSpot has permission to manage and interact with your social media accounts on your behalf. So go ahead and input your social media credentials and follow any on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This may involve logging into your accounts and granting necessary permissions. And there you have it. With your social media accounts now successfully connected to HubSpot, you can experience the benefits of managing your social media presence, all from one convenient location. Remember, HubSpot's tools allow you to streamline posting schedules, engage with your audience, and analyze engagement metrics, providing a more strategic approach to your social media efforts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Managing your social media can be a lot simpler and more efficient with HubSpot, and now you have the knowledge to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy posting.